Your voice it thunders, the oaks start twisting, the forest sounds with cedars breaking.
You just have these expectations that may not necessarily get fulfilled depending on the college that you choose. Just don't get scared. Don't freak yourself out, because I did that, and then college turned out to be so much easier than I expected it to be.
Understand that your friends may not come right away, not to grasp on to the first people that you meet, because those aren't necessarily the friends that God has for you. If I had known more that it was okay to wait, I wasn't crazy that I didn't have friends when I first started, because I saw all these people all of a sudden doing all these things together. I'm like, you met yesterday. How are you best friends? But to know that it's okay to wait and that greater things will come.
Set your priorities and stick to them. And when you do that, write them down and post it somewhere where you're going to look at it every day to remind yourself of what you need to look at, what you need to focus on. Time goes and you're not going to know where it went.
It's okay to be different and to show yourself that you are going to be a good worker and person, and to show that you care and that you care about God.
Creation sees you and starts composing. The fields and trees, they start rejoicing.